They will use you until they can't get what they want from you any longer. Then they will discard you like last week's trash. If you're going through a divorce from a narcissist, it might be one of the more difficult challenges you ever face, but I can tell you that your divorce is probably the greatest escape to freedom in the entire realm of family law, and you must do it to reclaim your life. It is literally a fight for your freedom. As an experienced Georgia divorce attorney who's dealt with many narcissists in high conflict divorces and custody battles, I've witnessed firsthand the unique challenges faced by individuals who are divorcing narcissists. So in this video, I'll dig into some of the characteristics of narcissistic personalities that make them so hard to live with, the challenges that they present in divorce proceedings, and I'll provide you with a path to empower you throughout your journey to freedom. So what's a narcissist? It's a person who has a psychological condition called narcissistic personality disorder. You may have seen the initials, the acronym NPD, which is typically marked by an enduring pattern of grandiosity, a constant need for admiration, and a complete lack of empathy for other people in their lives, especially you if you're their spouse or their significant other in a relationship. They will use you until they can't get what they want from you any longer. Then they will discard you like last week's trash, potentially leaving you shattered, confused, and doubting yourself in a complete mental and emotional vertigo. Getting free from this kind of person is essential for your health, especially if you have children, because they're getting caught up in the abuse in most instances as well. In the context of divorce, these traits can manifest in various ways, making the legal proceedings particularly intricate. So here are some of the challenges in dealing with the narcissist in the relationship, in co-parenting with them, and in divorcing them. The first challenge: manipulation and gaslighting. Narcissists excel at manipulation and gaslighting, distorting reality to suit their narrative. In legal proceedings, this might involve twisting facts, trying to undermine your credibility, or creating false narratives. So how do you deal with that? Documenting instances of the narcissist's manipulation is not just recommendable, but it's vital. Maintaining a solid record or even recordings of conversations, emails, and any attempts by the narcissist to rewrite history can be a powerful asset in court. And in Georgia, you don't need to let the other person you're having a conversation with know that you're recording it. Okay, here's the second challenge: high conflict and drama. Expect a divorce from a narcissist to be a breeding ground for conflict, but then again, so is your whole relationship, so don't back down. Narcissists thrive on drama, and the legal arena provides ample opportunities for them to fuel the flames and suck other people into their own circus, such as their own counsel, court-appointed persons such as a guardian ad litem, even witnesses. So deal with it by maintaining a calm and collected demeanor. I know that's not easy, but don't give in to their attempts to suck you in. Don't take the bait. You've been with them long enough to be able to read them, and the key here is to recognize their attempts to blow things up and don't give them the satisfaction of escalation. Just know that you are nearly done with them and find strength in that. Make that what helps you stay the course. Seek solid legal counsel with experience in managing high conflict cases to navigate the storm. Third challenge: financial shenanigans. Money becomes a powerful weapon in the narcissist's hands during a divorce. They might hide assets or manipulate financial records or try to use economic control as a means of asserting their dominance. Having an attorney with a good strategic and financial head on your side is crucial, because they can do things like freeze accounts, file a lis pendens on the home's title, enlist other experts to find hidden assets, and more, which can help ensure a fair division of the financial resources. Fourth challenge: child custody battles. Co-parenting with a narcissist can be emotionally exhausting, whether you're in the marriage or whether you're already divorced. You already know this if you're married to one or divorced from one. They may use the children as pawns to maintain control, but don't let that stop you from pursuing your and your kids' freedom. Emphasize a child-focused approach and document instances of manipulative behavior. These steps are crucial. Courts prioritize the best interests of the children, and evidence of a parent exploiting the situation can be a game changer for you. Go check out my other videos on custody and the factors affecting a judge's decision in custody matters. Consider involving a child psychologist or counselor to provide professional insights into the children's well-being. Ask for a guardian ad litem or even a custody evaluation. Okay, now that I've talked about challenges in divorcing a narcissist, let's talk about some practical strategies for divorcing a narcissist. First, build a support system. Divorcing a narcissist can be isolating. Gather up a strong support system, including friends, family, perhaps a therapist, and definitely a solid legal team who are experienced with high conflict divorces. Sharing your feelings and your experiences with those who understand the complexities can provide emotional relief, so consider joining support groups or online forums where individuals who are facing similar challenges or who have already gone through them and made it through can exchange advice and give you encouragement. Second, hire strong legal counsel. Choosing an attorney who is well-versed in handling narcissistic personalities is crucial. They should be prepared to navigate the complexities, understand the nuances of high-conflict cases, and be a fierce advocate for your rights throughout the legal process. Third, document everything. Detailed documentation in your divorce from a narcissist serves as your armor in a high-conflict divorce. Maintain records of all interactions, communications, incidents of manipulation that you experience, because a well-documented case not only strengthens your position, but also exposes any attempts by your narcissist spouse to derail the legal process. Fourth, establish boundaries. Setting firm boundaries is crucial when dealing with a narcissist. Limit communication to essential channels. There are some online apps that are popular within the family law community that preserve the record of everything that's being communicated, and your attorney can let you know what those are. Avoid getting drawn into the emotional battles with a narcissist. Clearly defined boundaries help reduce the risk of manipulation, and they help you maintain a sense of control. And using written communication as much as possible allows you to process their incoming communications and think in advance of your response. If you choose to respond at all, you're not required to respond to everything. You may be in a pattern of quickly responding to everything they do say, and if you are, break that pattern. Take back that control. Not everything deserves a response, and I want you to remember that. Fifth, focus on self-care. It's emotionally tough to divorce a narcissist, I know that, but it's so worth it, because once you do, the healing can begin for you and your kids, and you can enjoy your freedom from them. While you're going through it, make sure you make self-care a priority. Whether it's through therapy, meditation, yoga, working out, or engaging in other activities that bring you joy. Consider involving a support group in your self-care routine and communicate your needs openly to those around you. Sixth, educate yourself. Understanding narcissistic behaviors and their impact on legal proceedings is empowering, so educate yourself on common tactics employed by narcissists during a divorce, and get to know your legal rights in Georgia and discuss potential outcomes with your attorney. Keep your attorney very involved in this process. Knowledge is your greatest ally in navigating the complexities of any divorce, especially from the narcissist, and being well informed allows you to make strategic decisions throughout the entire process. So wrapping this up, the primary thing I want you to take away from this video is divorcing a narcissist is not an easy journey, but please summon the strength and the courage to do so, because it's literally the fight for your freedom. They are emotional and mental hostage takers, and you need to break free, and you can do it. Get armed with knowledge, get your support group together, work with your attorney to create a well-planned strategy, and you will get through it. And ask yourself this question, this is so important. In the future, do you want to look back and say, wow, I am so glad I got out of that and now I have my life back again? Or do you want to look in the mirror and wish you had? By the way, if that's you right now watching this video and looking in that mirror and saying, I wish I'd gotten out of it sooner, it's not too late for you. You do have the strength to overcome the obstacles posed by a narcissistic spouse by staying focused on your well-being and the well-being of your family, and committed to seeing yourself through to freedom, and you will get through this stronger. And if you have kids, you will be able to give them a much better future than they would have had if you stayed in that narcissistic marriage. So get out. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our news videos. Please share these videos, leave us some comments, ask us questions, tell us what other topics you'd like me to talk about. Join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody for more information. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.